Hello guys, today we are going to analyze the gold market for you guys, and we want to start from daily time frame to a lower time frame. So let's get started. As you guys can see right now, we are in a daily time frame on gold markets. So as you guys can see, we have equal high liquidity here. We also have this supply zone here with these gaps here, as you guys can see. So I have to tell you that price is really close to break this low here, and if we break this low, maybe price come down to this level of price, okay, because of some reason that I told you in my previous video. Actually, let me, okay, this is the first target that price can come and reach it. So maybe this level of price can be your first target, and this level of price again can be your second target. We can see something like this. So um, we are just giving you some opinion for trade. Okay, we are not giving you a signal, so this thing can happen. Or if price just didn't break this low here, price can come down, sweep the liquidity with a shadow and come up, to fill these gaps and also hit into this supply zone. And if we see any entry point, we can go for a short. And if um, price didn't respect to this supply zone, price can come up to hunt this equal high liquidity. So right now, let's go in for our time frame. Okay, sorry. As you guys can see in a for our time frame, um, this level of price actually was the equal high liquidity that I show you in a daily time frame, but we don't need it actually to marketing for our time frame. So as you guys can see, we have cool supply zone here. We also have this huge gap and equal high liquidity here. So one day, if price just come up, for example, price just come up to this level, making consolidation, and after that start to going up, um, I can tell you guys that you guys can go for a short here, absolutely, because you know we just sweep lots of liquidity. We just sweep a huge liquidity here. We also fill the gap, and right now price tap into this supply zone, and price don't have a power to stand versus this supply zone, so price will come down really good. So you guys can go for a short in this level. And as you guys can see, we just have another supply zone here. We see another gap, and as you guys can see again, after we just break this low, price start price keep coming down. So we don't have the for our low in this time, in this current time, and we have to wait to see in which level of price we want to see our low. So right now, let me tell you that we have a dimension here. As you guys can see, this is the dimension for us, and I really don't like this one because the equal low liquidity we have here, and maybe price don't respect this dimension because this equal low, and price just want to come down to sweep this liquidity. So if you guys see that price didn't respect this dimension, you guys need to know that price is coming down to sweep this liquidity. And if price just respect to this one, you guys need to know that you guys can go for a long trade, and you have to choose your choose your TP in your 1 hour time frame or 15-minute time frame. So let me tell you that if price just keep coming down, okay, with these black candles, we can mark this candle again as a supply zone, but not right now. So let me go in a 1 hour time frame. So let's see what we have here. Okay, um, let me just turn off this for our analysis. Um, Let me draw the structure first. So this is the low, this is the high. As you guys can see, um, this is the structure in 1 hour time frame. And let me tell you that we have these supply zones here. Also, we also have these gaps, as you guys can see. So again, we have this supply zone here, and this range of this candle is our gap. And I can tell you that, you know, this doji candle are somehow a supply zone. If you know the reason, you can analyze that these candles can be the supply zone. So we also can mark this, candle as a supply zone. But yeah, let me just mark it right now. It doesn't matter. Actually, we are in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, you guys just need to know these supply zones. Also, the level of price that we have a gap. Actually, here also we have a little bit gap here, and the dimensions. Actually, we just had a dimension here, so price just tap into it. Actually, break this dimension here. We have to. Actually, I have to tell you that maybe price uh, reject this one, and come down to see this level of price. So you guys can go for a short. Actually, we have the liquidity also here, as you guys can see. We have the liquidity here, and let me tell you that you guys can go for a short. You choose your entry point here. This is the stop loss and your targets. Yeah. So let's see what's just gonna happen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.